Good morning guys, in front of me is Google Pixel 7a and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, open the settings. Then find and select Wallpaper and Style, and here click on Change Wallpaper. And now you can use one from your own photos, or you can select one from the following albums from which you want to select your wallpaper from. Let me pick for example this one. And smoothly by tapping, you can see how particular picture looks on your screen, and also you can reorganize it a bit so you can set it however you like. You can zoom it in, out, and so on. Then you can also go back and pick another picture if you don't like the current one. As you can see, you have so many options here, and it's not quite easy to pick as they are all pretty interesting. But for example, let me choose this one. You can zoom it in or out. Let me do it this way, and then personalize it on your lock screen, for example, like this. Now tap on confirmation mark, and now decide if you want to set this wallpaper on your lock screen only or on both screens. This is what I would like to pick, and as you can see from now on, this picture is covering both your home and lock screens. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.